Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening is going to be part one of a comparison, and that is going to be comparing the Blackland Blackbird in stainless steel to the timeless Ti95 in titanium. Now I know that they're different metals, different weights. I don't have a Blackbird in titanium and I don't have a timeless in stainless. In fact, these are on loan, so it is what it is. But I'm going to do, I say part one because if you watch my initial impressions video, I'm going to do one side of the face with one razor this evening, and then next time I'll do the other side, I'll swap it. The soap this evening is Barrister & Mann's Full Measure of Man. And I believe this is in the Soft Heart base or in Excelsior. Either way, it's a really dang good base. I love the scent. It's a nice, beautiful tobacco. The brush is this awesomely beautiful DNA brush with I think it's like a 28 millimeter knot in here that Charles is letting me try out. Ooh, getting all kinds of drippy. The lather is Jeffrey Smith quality. I'm already blooping. I haven't started the shave yet. The shirt is being the lather catcher this evening because it's getting everywhere. Maybe I got a little bit too hydrated. Either way, it's gonna be a good shave. There. It's already looking a little better now. Dogs are a little restless. Alright, I'm cleaning up the hands. Haven't figured out what I'm going to do with what yet, so whichever one I pick up first, we'll do the left side. So this is going to be the Blackland. So, these both have brand new Persona blue blades in there. Going off of my general 24 hours-ish worth of growth. So we're only doing one side of my face. It'd be even weirder with the chevette. There. All right, that wasn't bad. Not the smoothest, but I've noticed with the Blackland is sometimes with certain blades, it kind of takes a little bit for it to kind of mellow down and smoothen out. Maybe that's just my head. Really drippy lather here. So far in the with the grain pass, the timeless is smoother. But that's what I'm going to do 2 shaves. I'm also shaving the right side of my face with my right hand, so, you know, a little easier to do it that way. All right, pass one down. Let's see how they feel. Going with the grain. They both feel pretty even as far as efficiency goes. cross. Let's see how that goes. Big knot, big handle. All right, going back with the Blackland here. Definitely more blade feel. Which isn't a bad thing. I like blade feel. All right, so we'll do that. Okay. Now, the timeless. And my weird growth pattern here. Still very smooth. Very easy to find that angle and maintain it. All right, now after the across, again, still feels about the same. I think they're both, after kind of 1.5 passes, I guess, they both feel about the same in efficiency. Comfort, maybe a slight edge to the timeless. Timeless does seem to have a kind of a wider angle of acceptance from where it's comfortable. Blackbird, if you get it right and can maintain that level or angle, it's very comfortable and efficient. There it wasn't super comfortable, but efficient. I had the angle slightly off, so that's definitely on me, not the razor. That's on the user. Like I said, this feels like it has a little bit narrower window of where that efficiency kind of lives, or that comfort level. But I have heard from numerous people that the Blackbird is one of their #1 razors. And once you get it figured out and get it kind of dialed in, it's phenomenal. I'm not saying that even the as is, it's a very comfortable shave. Now, since I'm on this side, look like the guy from the Leaf commercial now with half my face shaved. We'll go to the trouble spot there. All right, there, no issues. See, that was very comfortable. That had no problem whatsoever. So you can get a little bit more. There, that wasn't bad at all. As far as closeness is concerned, that is an exceptionally close shave on the Blackbird side. Now y'all know the Timeless is kind of fighting an uphill battle as far as this side is concerned. because of my hollow here in my neck is always a trouble spot. And because my hair grows differently on both sides of my face, I'm doing 2 parts. Okay, so there's that. That was efficient and smooth. Don't feel a whole lot of hair left over there. All right. Like I said, I got the lather a little thin. Maybe a little too watery to begin with. All right, so let's go over the trouble spots. Give this an equal opportunity here with lather. Neck was pretty good, actually. Okay, we'll call that good. All right, so because I want to test these side by side, okay, against the grain on the cheeks, kind of rubbing around, I feel pretty even. The neck, my normal trouble spots there feel even as well. Lighting here looks really good. I still have a 5 o'clock shadow, but looking in my mirror, I don't have a 5 o'clock shadow. All right, so now the little test. Do some alum. This is the PAA alum with the wonderful rubber band. Okay, little typical stinging here. On the Timeless side, nothing out of the ordinary. Blackbird side, a little more stinging here. But again, about the same level of sting from the alum. Even under the mustache there. Maybe a little bit more stinging on the Blackbird side. Now if we check underneath, looks like the Blackbird side got a little bit closer to the nose than the Timeless. And that could be because I really tried with the Blackbird, not necessarily the Timeless. See if I do that, nothing there. Let's go back to the Blackbird. Yeah, nothing there. So now that I've gone back, nothing's there. Same level of sting, I guess, if you want to call it, from the alum on both sides of the face. Alum water does not taste good as it runs into your mouth as you're rinsing off. There, all right, now the post-alum rinse. Yeah, as far as the closeness of the shave, at least immediately right after, I would say that they are pretty identical, if not identical. They're both very smooth. Same, a little bit more stinging from the alum on the Blackbird side, but not a ton. Both are very comfortable. Now smoothness, at least on this round one, I have to give that edge to the Timeless. As far as efficiency, joy of using, so far they're both tied. They're both great razors. So that was part one of the side-by-side comparison. Next time I'll switch and use the Timeless on the left and the Blackbird on the right. And we'll see how that goes. That'll be coming out later this week. So, thank you guys for tuning in to this one. If you have tried these razors, what do you think of them? Do you want to try one of these razors? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I'll catch y'all